As a digital marketing professional, you need to adapt your strategy with the constantly changing digital landscape to effectively enhance brands and optimize their business growth. It is predicted that expenditure on worldwide digital advertising will reach over $375 billion by 2021. This fact is itself a prolific reason for the aspiring marketing professionals to start their journey into digital marketing. More and more businesses are turning towards digital marketing, and this has led to an increased demand for digital marketing professionals. As a matter of fact, the highest, most in-demand skill in 2017 were digital advertising, content creation, and social media management. So, if you're trying to build your career in this exciting area, you're in the right place. In this episode, we will share with you ideas to become a successful digital marketer. Welcome to Tech District, and here are the 5 essential skills you need to start your own digital agency. Before we begin, we put out content for you guys every day, so please show some love for the channel and hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the tech industry. The term digital marketing, or DM, is actually an expansive field with various parts. As a matter of fact, DM is more of a team of people with roles rather than just one person flying solo. As an initial step to kickstart your DM career, it is important to understand the significant roles in this field and the essential capabilities required for each digital marketing roles. For example, a DM team can be comprised of the following: a social media manager who deals with diverse social platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn; a search engine optimization expert, or the SEO guy, who deals with paid advertising campaigns, making deals with Google, Yahoo, or even Facebook to ensure whatever product or service you are marketing is easily found when searched. Another popular role is known as the content creators. In digital marketing, you need visual content to advertise your product. Content creators design posters, graphics, make videos, and write stuff up to promote whatever you're trying to sell. And that leads us to the digital marketing copywriter. Copywriters have essential jobs to help the team refine their content and words used to get more reception. They also help search engine optimizer specialists to write a better ad copy, help the social media manager with better words for posting on social media channels, and they ensure content creators don't violate copyright laws, and so much more. If you want to know what roles you are up for, there are some tech services you can look up to understand the different roles of DM: SEO Gadget, Search Engine Land, Social Media Today, PPC Hero, and HubSpot. These are great recommendations to get you going in the world of digital marketing. There are many digital marketers out there who claim to be self-taught or self-learned. There are also loads of quick courses online to help you get started, but formal training and getting certified for it can go a long way to get people to take you seriously on a professional level. Gaining knowledge from industry specialists in the business can make you mindful of genuine online marketing challenges and keep you on your toes. Formal digital marketing training likewise gives you a reinforcement to determine your specific strengths. We recommend having a look at any of the digital marketing certification courses offered by DigitalVidya. This DM company started with delivering social media training workshops across India in 2009, then launched a full-fledged certified digital marketing course in 2013. They are considered the leaders in online digital marketing courses and have partnerships with Google, Microsoft, LinkedIn, Facebook, vSkills, and NASCOM. If you search for Certified Digital Marketing Master Courses, or CDMM, you will find DigitalVidya to always be on the top of your searches. If you truly need to emerge from your associates in the business, finishing a certified DM certification course will be very useful. One of the issues confronting the DM industry is that there are no obstructions to enter this field. This implies that anybody with a free handle of digital industry phrasing can possibly get a position in an organization. So in the end, if you want to stand out as the right digital marketer for the job, show them you have the certificate to back it up. Those who just simply call themselves DMs have a far lesser chance to land a premium spot in the team without certification. For content creators and social media managers, you have a plethora of platforms and tech to play with. Social media can be used to build your brand identity, to reach out to your existing customers, and find new audiences. It can be used for thought leadership, to enhance your SEO rankings, and as a direct channel for people to interact with your brand. Most organizations already know this, but there are digital tools out there that can make the job easier and make you more effective at it. Sprout Social and Hootsuite are two of the most popular tools for enhancing your social media output. These tools are referred to as social media management solutions, can provide you with everything you need to take full control of your social media marketing. Hootsuite supports over 150 integrations, allowing users to upgrade multiple networks in one setup. If it's greater visibility over your social channels, detailed insights about what is working and what isn't, or more control over publishing posts through automation and scheduling, these tools can transform what's possible with social media. If you want to produce quality posts that engage and grow your social following across multiple channels, then these tools are exactly what you need. By picking the right platform and targeting the right demographic, paid media can ensure your message reaches the right audience. However, to do this, you need the correct tools to track your campaigns. There are also great tools to help you develop a competitive strategy. Facebook is actually one of the most popular paid media platforms you could use to advertise your products and services. Facebook Ad offers advertising solutions for every level of expertise. You don't have to be an expert to start advertising on Facebook. Create and run campaigns using simple self-service tools and track their performance with easy-to-read reports. More than 2 billion people use Facebook every month, so no matter what kind of audience you want to reach, you'll find them here. There are also great tools called SpyFu, which enables you to carry out pay-per-click or PPC competitor research, whether it's a competitor's estimate monthly spend or keywords that they are targeting or how well their ads are ranking. SpyFu gives you insights to help put together a campaign strategy that is highly competitive. We also recommend SEMrush, one of the best paid media tools in the business. Its audience targeting report can be used by PPC managers and brand strategists to refine their ad strategy for a targeted audience. Plus, all of this is complemented by the fact that SEMrush has one of the biggest keyword databases in the world. One last recommendation would of course be Google Ads Editor. Advertisers with large accounts having numerous ad campaigns with groups often wish to optimize and manage their accounts, but worry about wasting too much time. After all, most businesses have to work with limited resources and time. This is where Google Ads Editor comes into play. This free-to-use tool helps drive the efficiency and performance of ad campaigns. Thanks to Google's continuous support and promotion, Google Ads Editor has become popular among beginners and professional advertisers alike, helping them manage multiple Google Ads accounts even without an internet connection. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is all about becoming visible and searchable online. It can be tricky as Google is forever changing its algorithms. Staying on top of these changes is hard enough, but being able to adapt your SEO to these changes to remain competitive is the real challenge. Here in Tech District, we recommend Moz. Moz is your best bet for continued SEO success. Not only does Moz offer great educational resources to keep you on top of SEO best practice, but the Moz all-in-one SEO toolset provides the full range of capabilities that you need. It tracks desktop and mobile keyword ranking, allowing users to easily keep tabs on any and all active keywords. This intelligent keyword analysis is supported by other features like link building and opportunities, site audits, search visibility score, and page insights. A little bit of a bonus tip for those who are really serious in learning more about digital marketing. Just let you know it's a really big field, but we believe in this era of digital information and transformation. DM jobs are obviously going to keep growing. So to get you into the profession or keep you on your toes, we recommend having a look at LinkedIn and Udemy for online courses in digital marketing. There are thousands of courses tackling specific roles and even giving you projects to earn your actual certificates. So just give them a chance. And that's it from us here in Tech District. If you liked the video or found it helpful, please hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what recommendations you have to become a successful DM, and we hope to see you again soon.